Hello, we are in Berchidda. We are just at the entrance of the town, and that's the property. Let's go and see it. At the moment, there is no main gate. Well, there is, but it's not in place. It will be fixed after the house is sold. And that is the house and the vineyard. That's the main barbecue with the oven, traditional Sardinian oven, and we'll just go around the house and see it first, and then we go inside to visit it. At the moment, there is grape. We are close to the moment when the grape is best, September. But that's what it looks like at the moment. That's the well and the water tank. There is a deposit for irrigation and for the house as well. I say deposit, I mean there's reserve. So the house, the vineyard, and the land. The children used to play soccer here, but it's up to you. You just extend the vineyard or convert this, have a swimming pool. It's up to you. You may decide whatever is the best solution for this. And on the outside there's this wonderful granite table underneath the oak tree, and from here we just go inside and see the upper floor. Okay, there you go. The bathroom. Okay, there's the light. Everything here was built and it's new. And the toilet, the shower. That's me. Hello. Hello again. Everything was built brand new. And you have access to the plumbing system there. That's the place where the washing machine should be. And you asked me to, show everything around. There you go. That's the ceiling. And the drip of paint. Okay. So that's the... Oh, and about everything. The handle needs to be cleaned. But apart from that, this is not wood. Looks like wood. It's double glazing windows for better insulation, and brand new on the inside, of course. Oh, I'll keep it open, so let's change the air a bit. And the shutters system, that's traditional in Sardinia. I don't know if you have it on the outside, maybe, but in this way you can keep it good forever. So, electric, everything was labeled as brand new, done in a wonderful way. Here there was an accident with a ladder, but I mean it's not too bad. And again, that's upstairs. Here we have a storage and a wasp. that was trapped in. And here on the ground floor, on the floor, you have now is tiles, but actually on the project should be a ladder that goes on the downstairs. We will see later downstairs where it goes. So the kitchen, this is new as well. And up. Oh yeah, you asked me about this, sorry, I forgot. Water and cold. Oh, you cannot tell cold and hot water, but there's the electric boiler. I'll show you even the bathroom. You asked me to flush this? Okay, let's do it. Everything works as intended. Oh, yeah, and almost forgot. There's the heating system and the fireplace. Speaking of a problem that need to be fixed, yeah, you should repaint here because the paint job here was not too good, and because of the heat it just dried up too much, and that's not a big issue. That's how it looks like upstairs. So let's go upstairs. Sorry for taking so long to make this video. It could be probably a 15 minutes video, but that's upstairs. They made this for guests. They have the bedrooms downstairs actually, and the light is this. Okay, there you go. The light's on. And from here, you can just pick downstairs. There you go. And oh, there on the wall, you can see the white place where the white cover for the air conditioning unit, which is not there yet, but you can put it easily. Okay, let's go downstairs now. And that's the balcony. Big balcony. This goes all around the house and goes back to the entrance where we got in, and that's what it looks like. I'll show you around. And I don't know if you can tell, this is actually granite. It shines when the lights hits in the right way. Kids toy. So that's the balcony. You may, change the color, do whatever you want, but everything is in good shape here. Again. Oh, there's a nest. There's a nest. Yeah, apart from that, everything looks good. So, let's go downstairs and let me turn off the light. Looking for the right thing. Okay, so we may just go downstairs. From here, veranda. This is granite. Everything was built for them. They were not planning to sell, but you know, life has sometimes different plans, and that's the reason why they're selling. So downstairs we have the oven with everything in place, ready to be used, and this is the storage deposit. Even here you can see that everything looks good. Okay, this is the okay, neon lights takes a while. This is the place where usually, traditionally, Sardinian people convert the pork into sausages. So you need this. But if you are going to have a bedroom, you may just get rid of that. But that's the main reason why there is this down there. And you have water here, and the main house is right there. We'll see in the other room. So let's go inside the house now. Oh yeah, maybe turn off the light, please. Thank you. And here we are. Okay, that's the big fireplace. The type of fireplace that we use when, cooking the pork. A big one usually is really big, so that's why you have that one. And also the fireplace has this to help the ventilation. And all the electrical outlets were placed brand new. You've seen the upstairs. And there is a little of paint job to be done here and there. But apart from that, you can see that everything is in good shape. So that's the main dining room, where there's another kitchen, because ideally they were going to split this into units, but then decided to not go ahead with their plans. And the bedroom here, let me find the light. Okay, there you go. Bedroom, we have the same tiles that there are outside. That's for air conditioning. Is ready to be placed. And Sardinian wardrobe, traditional one. Standard bedroom. And, oh, that's it. And from here we have another washing machine, the fridge, and upstairs here you can tell where initially the stairs were intended. You may have them place instead of the roof and connect the house from downstairs to here, and the bathroom. Oh, again, sorry, I forgot. We don't usually flush anything because it's the standard to. Oops. That's harder than upstairs, because that's for number 1, number 2. But you have to press harder, apparently. And well, yeah, we don't usually do that when we sell houses, because that's the minimum. If you're selling a house and you tell the house is okay, then the house is okay. it hurts everyone when you try to hide problems. It doesn't make much sense. But I understand there are a lot of people that work differently. And running water everywhere. And electricity too. Everything is ready to be used, ready to move in. And again, even downstairs, same type of windows, shutters inside, double glazing, and yeah, that's it. That's what it looks like. Of course, this layout is what they had in mind, but you may change it. You can do things differently. I forgot about the light. And oh, okay, there's a bit of paint job to be redone there, but inside the bathroom, especially where the shower is, there is not much. It's just the paint layered in not the best way, you can tell, but that's nothing too big to be fixed. And oh, even the inside doors, the door in, they're good. That's wood. That's not the fake one you get now, real wood. And well, that's basically it. It's up to you. If you're interested, you would like to visit in person, just, well, let me know. And after this long video, I hope you have a better idea of what it looks like. I may send you a short glimpse of what Berchidda, the town, looks like. By the way, the town is right behind the corner. Oh, you see that big guy up there? That's called Monte Limbara, and where the people from the American army used to stay back in the 90s. And Berchidda is just right there behind the hill. It's probably 600 meters. I'll show you in a while. Almost forgot, because when I'm recording a video and speaking all the time, sometimes things slips out of your mind. So that's where all the technical stuff is. And let me see if this is open. I'll show you what's inside. Okay, that's the boiler here. And we have also, let me see, the other one upstairs, the other one downstairs. They're new. They're quite new. They are not being used. The downstairs one, the upstairs one. But everything is new here, and that's part of the chimney top. It changed it. Used to be that, but it needed assistance with the vent. I show you down, so you can have more pressure. And that's the other one from downstairs. That's the upstairs chimney, downstairs chimney. Okay.